Alright, you guys, welcome back. This is part 4, and this is me just putting my little nacho dish together. So sorry you guys are looking down, but I wanted to make sure it was right on the plate. So anyway, I'm going to take my Doritos nachos that I got, the sour cream. I don't want to make too much because my stomach is acting a little funny right now, so. But what I like to do, like, of course, people usually stack them up and, you know, makes like little haystacks or whatever, and puts like lettuce and tomatoes and onions and jalapenos and sour cream, all that stuff they like to put on there. I just like it very simple. I just like nachos, meat, cheese, sour cream, and the salsa. That's all I need, and it's perfect for me. All that other stuff, like, I think the most important stuff to me is the freaking nachos, the meat, and the cheese, basically. So I put my nachos on there, and I like to just put them on there and then smash them all up. I don't know how many other people do that, but I like to do that because I like to eat it with a fork. And just having it all mixed together, it comes out so good. So crush them all up. Put as many on there. Like I said, I don't want to eat too much right now because, you know, it's just like a little snack to me right now. But crush them all up. Peel the chip out of here. And now for the fun stuff. So, here we go. Take my meat. Yes, yes, yes. Put it on top. Of course, distribute it across the whole thing. Or, of course, however you like it, of course. And that's why I like to get two, because as you can see, like, half of it's almost gone already. And this is good for dinner. For lunch and dinner today. And then tomorrow I can make the other batch or whenever I feel like it. Like I said, the most important part to me is the freaking meat and cheese, so yeah. Alright. Alright, next is the cheese, of course. And I'm kind of weird. Like, I don't always like the cheese being completely melted on there, so some people like to put the cheese on there and then put it back in the microwave and melt it. I don't know. To me, this is perfect. Cheese, yes. And then, of course, you know, some people like to put the salsa and stuff on the side. I like to put it all on top. So, put some dribbles on the top, just to make sure it's distributed everywhere. And this right here is perfect. This will fill me up, definitely. Very much so. My sour cream, which I should have put in the refrigerator a long time ago. But it's okay. My sour cream. Yes. I can't wait. And of course, you know, I've seen a lot of people make their nachos so good. But this is how I like to do mine. in. Put some chips around the edge. And there, you guys, is my little nacho salad, whatever you want to call it, Charlie style. Well, I had this plugged in. And there you go, you guys. Charlie's Nachos. And of course, I'm going to have to dig into this right now. What's wrong with the cord? Oh my goodness gracious. It's time to dig into, you guys. So here I go. Taking my nachos and my chips and my salsa. You guys want some? Jealous? Time to grub. Thank you guys for tuning in to Charlie's Cooking Nachos 101. I will talk to you guys soon. Holla back.